Certainly. Here are 20 proven ways to earn and make money online. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services in areas such as writing, graphic design, programming, digital marketing, virtual assistants on platforms Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Online tutoring or teaching. Share your expertise by teaching languages, academic subjects through platforms VIPKid, tutor.com, or Udemy. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through your website, blog, or social media platforms and earn a commission for each sale. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast and monetize through advertising, sponsored content, memberships, or merchandise. Online surveys and microtasks. Participate in paid online surveys on platforms like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, or Amazon Mechanical Turk. Drop shipping. Set up an online store without inventory by partnering with suppliers through Shopify. Online marketplaces. Sell handmade crafts, vintage items on platforms Etsy, eBay, or Amazon. Remote work. Look for remote job opportunities on remote.co, Indeed, or LinkedIn. Online consulting. Provide expert advice or consulting services in your field of expertise via online platforms. E-book publishing. Write and publish your own ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Smashwords. Stock market or cryptocurrency trading. Invest in stocks or cryptocurrencies and learn about trading strategies. Social media management. Manage social media accounts for businesses or individuals. Influencer marketing. Build a strong social media following and collaborate with brands as an influencer, promoting their products or services. Website or app development. Develop websites or mobile applications for clients and earn income through project-based work. Online coaching or mentoring. Offer personalized coaching in areas such as fitness, career guidance, personal development. Podcasting. Start a podcast and monetize through sponsorships, advertising. Virtual event organizing. Organize and host online conferences, webinars, workshops, translation services. Provide translation services for documents, websites, or audio, video content. Create and sell digital products. Design and sell digital products like templates, graphics, music, or stock photos through Creative Market or Envato Market. Online gaming or streaming. If you have gaming skills, you can earn money through live streaming on platforms Twitch, YouTube Gaming, or Facebook Gaming.